Did you know that the universe you've been taught about might be entirely wrong? Dr. Michio Kaku, one of the world's leading theoretical physicists, just made a bold declaration. The James Webb Space Telescope, our eye into the ancient cosmos, has captured data that could shatter the very foundation of the Big Bang Theory. This isn't science fiction. This is real. And it's happening now. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you may never look at the universe the same way again. For decades, scientists agreed. The universe began 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang, a colossal explosion that hurled time, space, and matter into existence. But there were always problems with this theory. Why is the universe so smooth? Why is cosmic background radiation almost perfectly uniform in every direction? Why are there galaxies too massive, too structured, too evolved, far too early? To solve these problems, scientists added theoretical patches: inflation, dark matter, dark energy. But the truth is, many of these fixes were more guesswork than proven fact. And then came James Webb. When NASA launched the James Webb Space Telescope in December 2021, it was billed as a time machine, capable of peering back over 13 billion years. Its mission? To see the first galaxies ever formed. To witness cosmic dawn. But what it found was a cosmic nightmare. Instead of baby galaxies barely forming, Webb found fully structured, mature galaxies, massive and dense, appearing just 300 million years after the so-called Big Bang. They weren't supposed to exist yet. Not by hundreds of millions of years. One galaxy, Source 93316, appeared to exist just 235 million years after the Big Bang. But it's too big, too organized, too luminous. This shattered expectations. Faced with these revelations, Dr. Michio Kaku stepped forward with a bold interpretation. Michio Kaku quoted, "The James Webb Space Telescope is forcing us to rethink everything. We may need a new theory of the universe's birth. One that doesn't rely on the classical Big Bang." Kaku isn't alone. Physicists around the world are now whispering the unthinkable. What if the Big Bang never happened? Or at least, not the way we imagined. Some now believe the universe may be part of a larger cycle, expanding and contracting in a cosmic rhythm, a big bounce instead of a bang. Others suggest we're witnessing echoes of a multiverse, with our universe born from collisions in higher dimensions. Ancient galaxies that shouldn't exist. Let's take a closer look at these rogue galaxies. Glass Z13, a galaxy detected by JWST that existed just 300 million years after the Big Bang, yet it's as massive as some present-day galaxies. JADES GS Z13-0, one of the oldest light sources ever observed. Its structure is more developed than any theory predicted at that stage. These aren't isolated flukes. Webb continues to detect more and more of these impossible galaxies. How can stars, planets, and dust form that quickly? The speed, complexity, and brightness challenge the timeline of the early universe. As Kaku puts it, it's as if we're watching a movie, and someone hit fast forward on the first few scenes. If the Big Bang Theory is incomplete, or worse, wrong, then humanity stands at the edge of a new scientific revolution. We may need to rewrite our understanding of time, matter, and space itself. Could time have existed before the Big Bang? Could the laws of physics be different in other regions of space? Are we one of countless universes? Michio Kaku argues that the key may lie in string theory and M-theory, hypotheses that suggest we live in a universe with multiple dimensions. Perhaps JWST is not just looking at distant light, but glimpsing alternate realities. The James Webb Telescope is only just beginning its mission. In the coming years, it will measure the chemical composition of ancient galaxies, detect possible atmospheres of exoplanets, test the limits of the cosmic timeline. Michio Kaku and his colleagues hope this will lead to a theory of everything, a single framework uniting general relativity and quantum mechanics. This could be the end of the Big Bang as we know it, and the beginning of a new era in cosmology. The universe has always challenged us, pushed us to expand our minds, rewrite our textbooks, and imagine the impossible. Now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we are once again being forced to question everything we thought we knew. Was the Big Bang just the beginning, or simply one event in a never-ending cosmic symphony? One thing is certain, the answers are out there. And we will keep looking. Ringed Planet, if you want to stay updated on humanity's most mind-blowing discoveries, don't forget to subscribe to the Science Signal. Do you believe the Big Bang was wrong, or just misunderstood? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Science Signal for more deep space secrets.